welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another wash and go. I'm going to be trying out a new product today. I'm going to be trying out the newest Wetline Extreme Gel. This is a super affordable gel. I found this at my local, not beauty supply, Target, and I paid about $3.99 or $2.99 for it. It was very cheap, super affordable. So I'm going to be trying this out today and giving you guys my thoughts. I did try out the green top gel. From my understanding, they have reformulated this gel, so I'm going to be trying it out. The last one I did a video on, I absolutely hated the gel. I did not use a leave-in. So later on, I did try with the leave-in. I absolutely loved it. So today, if you want to see my thoughts on this gel, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. Alright, so like I said before, I did not use the leave-in for the last gel, so I'm not going to do that today. I went ahead and applied my Mish Beauty leave-in conditioner here. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. My absolute favorite. If anybody asks me what's my best leave-in, it's this one. The only downfall is that it's only sold online, but if she was to go into stores, it would be phenomenal for her, but hopefully one day she does. But I did use this. I'm going to seal in this leave-in with this African Pride oil. It has castor, grapeseed, organ, coconut, and olive oil in it. So it's 5 different essential oils that I'm going to be putting in my hair. Like I said, I did go ahead and apply the leave-in while my hair was wet, soaking wet. Then I put a towel on it. So all I have right now in my hair is just that leave-in. I did do a protein treatment today as well. I used the Cream of Nature protein treatment, and it's okay. I still rather the Apple G one, so that's just my thoughts on that. I know I was supposed to do a review on it. I did a review on all the other products like from the Cream of Nature, but I'm just giving you guys an update. If you watched my previous video of the Cream of Nature black castor oil, make sure my part is straight. That I tried the protein treatment today and a deep conditioner. My hair feels good, but with the Apple G I can really see a difference. With this one, it's just okay. So I'm going to clip this off and apply some oil. I usually apply about like that much, not like a whole lot, but enough to seal in this side of my hair with oil. And this has like changed the game for me in my wash and goes. My hair is a lot more moisturized and it lasts a lot longer for my high porosity hair. So an oil in my wash day routine is a must. And I'm loving that African Pride one. It's lasted me a long time. I just use it on wash day and that's it. So now that my hair is prepped and ready, I'm going to go ahead and just move in sections and apply the styler and let you guys watch it. I'm going to just apply this. I'm not going to do it in small sections like I normally would. I'm in a rush today. I just don't feel like I've just spent too much time on my hair already today with the wash day, the protein, and all that. So I'm going to just do this whole section at once. And I always usually do the praying hair methods. I hardly ever shingle my hair, honestly, because it just takes too long to do. And my curl pattern looks okay without me having to shingle. So it's not a need for me, so that's why I don't do it. I like how it's weighing my hair down and making my curls clump, as you guys can see. I'm not going to apply it on my roots like I did last time, because last time I did that, I put it on my roots. I literally could not pick my roots at all. So I don't want my hair to be super stiff. I just want my hair to be super defined with the holds and volume, of course. So as you can see, I'm not applying any additional product. I'm just basically working the product that I put in my hair just through the subsections like that. And then go ahead and scrunch it. And that is this section of hair. So I'll move on to this part. Oh, my hair is so soft. It was not as soft before I put that leave-in conditioner, and now I like to see a huge difference. The leave-in conditioner is a Alright guys, so the product is applied all around my head and my curls look really good. I don't feel like this gel is a moisturizing gel at all, although it doesn't claim to be. I do like gels with a little bit of moisture to it, and this one does not feel like it has it. So I'm happy I did go in with the leave-in and the oil. So hopefully this gel does not dry my hair out, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and I'll show you guys either later on today or tomorrow once it's all fluffed and done what my hair looks like. But so far this is the way it looks. I don't know how to feel, but you know, we'll see. I don't know. Just stay tuned and you'll see how I feel. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I did let my hair air dry all day yesterday. I did it at like 10 o'clock that morning, and it was completely dry about 3 or 4 that afternoon. So my hair, I did not sit under a hair dryer or blow dry, so it was no heat. And this is how my hair came out. It looks really, to me, I think it looks really good. Wetline always gives me the good definition. I like my curl pattern whenever I do it. As you guys can see, my curls are really, you know, they look really, really good together. They look really, really good. So I do give this gel probably an 8 out of a 10. And that's only because my hair does not feel moisturized, as I said before. Even though I did seal it in with the oil, to me I still feel like it looks a little dry. So I will be applying some of this Maui Moisture coconut milk. This is a weightless oil mist. I love, love, love this thing. It's so good. It doesn't make my hair feel heavy, but it's like an oil sheen. It makes my hair, you know, have a shine to it. So I will apply this to my hair, and you know, to give it that mist. So I'll do that now. And usually I'll apply that like throughout the week. When I'm banding my hair, I'll just apply this on my ends, because my ends do get drier than the rest of my hair, because they're the oldest part of my hair. So I will do that. The only thing I hate about using that is that the oil gets on your hands, but you just wash it out. So yeah, this is my hair on day 1. I can imagine it getting bigger and prettier as the days go by. So yeah, I think the gel is good. I give it an 8 out of 10, and that's pretty much it for this video. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye!